Which adjustable hitch for lifted trucks is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top options to save you time and effort. Product number 1, TYT Adjustable Hitch. First up is the TYT Adjustable Truck Trailer Hitch. Priced at $89.99, this hitch caught my attention with its impressive 12,500 pounds towing capacity and a dual ball design. If you want reliability and solid performance for your lifted truck, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable height design provides a 6-inch drop and rise range, ensuring your trailer stays level for safe towing. You'll appreciate the dual ball feature, as it allows you to switch between towing different trailers effortlessly. With a total towing capacity of 20,000 pounds, this hitch is built for serious hauling. Plus, it's made from high-strength steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, which means it can take on rough conditions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can trust it to hold up whether you're on dusty back roads or tackling tough weather. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky, especially when it comes to aligning the locking pins. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's definitely not a deal breaker and the security it offers is worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable hitch for heavy-duty towing. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight, but for the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the installation issue was a concern, the next hitch has a reputation for being super user-friendly. Product number 2, Rhino USA Adjustable Hitch. Next, we have the Rhino USA Adjustable Trailer Hitch, retailing at $199.90. This hitch really stood out to me because it's made by a family-owned business and boasts a fantastic 12,500 pounds towing capacity. If you want something that's built to last and supports American craftsmanship, this is definitely one to consider. It's specifically designed for 2-inch receivers, making it compatible with a variety of trucks and SUVs. Plus, the anti-theft locking system gives you peace of mind, ensuring your trailer is secure while you're on the road. Here's why this matters for you. You can haul confidently, knowing that your hitch is not only strong but also well protected against theft. Some users mention that it's on the pricier side compared to others. But honestly, the quality and lifetime replacement guarantee make it a smart investment for anyone serious about towing. This is perfect for you if you value American-made products and want a hitch that's easy to use. Skip this one if you're on a strict budget, but you'll feel the value in the long run. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for affordability without sacrificing quality. Product number 3, Orion Motor Tech Hitch. Now let's talk about the Orion Motor Tech Trailer Hitch, priced at a very budget-friendly $56.99. This hitch caught my eye because it offers a lot without breaking the bank. If you want to save some cash while still getting a dependable hitch, this one deserves your attention. With a towing capacity of 8,000 pounds, this hitch is designed for versatility, handling everything from boats to utility trailers. The adjustable height means you won't have to stress over sizing when towing different loads. Plus, the high-level anti-theft lock adds an important layer of security. Here's why this matters for you. You can switch between trailers easily and confidently, knowing that your load is secure. However, some users reported that the locking pins can be a bit stiff, making it challenging to adjust. But here's the thing, once you've broken them in a little, they work just fine, and it's a minor hassle considering the price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet reliable option for casual towing. Skip this one if you need something that can handle extreme heavy loads frequently, but it's a great deal for the price. Now, if you want something with a bit more strength and durability, the next hitch might be just what you need. Product number 4, OPENROAD Adjustable Hitch. Next up is the OPENROAD Adjustable Trailer Hitch, priced at $49.98. This one is intriguing because it balances affordability and strength, making it a solid choice if you're on a budget but still need reliability. If you want a hitch that won't leave your wallet empty, keep this one in mind. This hitch is rated for a gross trailer weight of 7,500 pounds, and it features a 912-inch drop and 814-inch rise. offering great flexibility for various towing situations. The adjustable design allows you to switch between different ball sizes easily. Here's why this matters. You get versatility without the hassle of multiple hitches cluttering your garage. Some users did mention that the construction feels a bit less sturdy than pricier options. Honestly, while it's not as heavy-duty, it still holds up for lighter loads and occasional use, making it not a deal-breaker for many. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a hitch that meets basic towing needs without overspending. Skip this one if you plan on doing heavy-duty towing often, but for light to moderate use, it's a strong contender. Now, if you're leaning towards a more robust option, the final product might be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, LOCAME Adjustable Hitch. Last but not least, we have the LOCAME Adjustable Trailer Hitch, available for $125.99. This hitch impressed me with its aluminum construction and incredible towing capacity of 12,500 pounds. If you want something durable yet lightweight that can handle heavy loads, this hitch is certainly worth considering. The corrosion-resistant finish ensures that it will look good and perform well over time, even in tough conditions. Here's why this matters. You can trust this hitch to withstand the elements while keeping your trailer secure. However, some users pointed out that it can be a bit pricier than similar products. Here's the thing though, the durability and performance make it a great investment for those who value quality over cost. This is perfect for you if you need a strong, reliable hitch for heavy-duty towing. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, but the quality you get is worth the price. To wrap it up, we've covered a range of adjustable hitches from the affordable Orion Motor Tech to the heavy-duty LOCAME. Each of these options has unique strengths, so you can find the perfect fit for your lifted truck. In conclusion, if you're in the market for an adjustable hitch, you have some excellent choices. The TYT offers great value, the Rhino USA brings reliability with a heritage, the Orion Motor Tech is budget-friendly, the OPENR080 balances price and performance, and the LOCAME provides strength in a lightweight package. Consider what you need most, and I hope this video helps you make the best decision for your lifted truck.